It's a lovely day and I've just started using my antenna again, been able to make a contact with Finland because I had to rebuild this pole. I'll show you a close-up in a moment, and the reason is these clips on this extendable aluminium pole were so useless that they all came apart. So I've 3D printed some replacements, just put it all back together, and it works really well. So here's a quick look at my antenna, and I've set it up on a fence post so I can drop it right down and make it disappear, and then if anybody's bothered by it I can just take it out of the way or put it down when it's windy or I'm away. So this is a extendable pole, and everything I've fitted it with now is 3D printed. I made these brackets to go on to a fence post so that I can drop it down and then it's completely invisible, but also I've now remanufactured these brackets, which I hope there's enough light to see. These hold each section of the pole firmly together, and it goes up, and I had to design and make 5 different sections, or 6, I can't remember, but they hold it nice and straight and very easy to use. So let's take a look at the old ones and why there was a problem. So here are some of the old clips and some of the test prints I made. I usually make little circles when I'm making things like this, or a reduced shape of anything I'm making, just to test that it fits before I spend an hour or more printing something. So here's one of the old ones. You can see the crazy design. The insert for screwing into is mounted on the outside of the plastic section, so as you screw the clip in, it just pulls this insert out and it just eventually comes loose. I was warned about it before I bought it, but I thought, well, maybe that's a rare thing or with a lot of use. But after just a couple of times of using this antenna pole, the whole thing started to become difficult to use and gradually fell apart. But anyway, now I've replaced the whole thing with clips that look something like this, where there's a hole in the middle to hold the insert and a smaller hole on the outside for the screw. So as you put tension on it, the insert is pulled against the plastic wall. There's no chance of it coming out, and it's absolutely secure. It takes very little tension actually to secure the whole thing, so I'm really pleased with that. If I look out the window, I can see my antenna transformer, and maybe we can see the antenna going down to the end of the garden, and it comes into a socket, and here's my rig. Probably not much light to show this. Here's my FD817. And I just made a call to Finland, to OH3JM Marku, who said your rig and antenna works well. So that's great news. So I've had to lower the blind because the sun is so strong today, but that's been a big success, rebuilding that pole, giving it proper clips. And if you're interested and you'd like to make some yourself or fix your pole, please let me know in the comments and I'll publish the designs on Thingiverse. There's no point in me making them for other people, I think, because you may have to adjust them to suit your own antenna. Anyway, it was fun, it works, another problem solved with 3D printing.